Hello and welcome to Gavin's Painting Tips. This is number 8. I quickly fill in the background so I can tone up the subject with the lightest light and darkest dark values. I find that flat planes accent volumetric shapes and create the nuances within them to be more apparent. After I establish the foreground drawing, I'll go into the background and soften up some edges and create more of an atmosphere that works with the foreground. Working from dark to light, I build up the tones and keep my brush clean by rinsing it in turpentine and then patting it down with paper towels. I use a number 1 round synthetic brush pretty much throughout this whole painting. Thanks for watching, and if you got something out of it, please hit the like button and subscribe.